Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen, and all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings. If for some reason the settings are not here in your case, just tap on the three dots icon and find them right here. All you have to do is to tap on them, hold them and drag them to this panel to have much faster access to it. So after entering the settings, we have to enter the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously applied languages. We've got only English, so after tapping on Add Keyboard, we will be transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. You can search it here. It will be much easier, considering the fact that we've got a lot of options to choose from. And let me pick something which will be, let's say, graphical, in order to show you the actual difference. So I will pick Assyrian, and as you can see, sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to set. Here you will have the keyboard options. So as you can see, in my case, I've got only one, but sometimes you will have 2, 3 or 4. So pick the one you'd like to use and tap on Done. And the Assyrian has been immediately applied to this list, so now we can go back to the keyboard in order to check the changes. And actually we've got two differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language. So right now I am typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Assyrian one. Let me tap on it again, and again English. So this is how to add new language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's get back to the languages in the settings, and here we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove, and in my case it will be Assyrian, and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got English left only. So it looks like it looked at the very beginning of this video, and after getting back you can see that the spacebar is empty. We do not have the name of the language, and we cannot find the language key, so obviously we cannot change the language, the layout. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.